Welcome to Forex and Stock Outlook Weekly Update. FX and Stock Consultant provides free for you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Chart and Indicator Analysis, Gold. Dated of study 26 July UTC +7. Monthly chart, trend bullish, parabolic SAR uptrend, Bollinger Top, RSI overbought to middle, stochastic overbought. Daily chart, trend bullish, parabolic SAR uptrend, Bollinger Top, RSI overbought to middle, stochastic overbought. 1 hourly chart, trend bullish, parabolic SAR uptrend, Bollinger Top, RSI oversold to middle, stochastic overbought to middle. 1 minute chart, trend sideways, parabolic SAR uptrend, Bollinger middle, RSI overbought, stochastic oversold crossing. Based on the above indicators, as overall trading psychology is strong seller power, please watch the major trend and strong resistance. That means preference short position. Status at current time of study. BZ custom indicator, no trading indication, please wait reversal signal. Trading signal, entry, long position. If you want my view about other currencies/stocks/commodities, I will love to share my view with you. Just simply comment below. I always open to discussion. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes and is not an investment recommendation nor to be representative of professional expertise. This analysis used herein is for illustration purposes only. This personal opinion should not be considered specific investment advice. I am not responsible for any trades, and individuals are solely responsible for any live trades placed in their own personal accounts.